Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we will start our exercise 2D. It is based on the round off rules as we have studied in our first chapter about the round off. So here first question is a word problem. In a party 3685 balloons of white and red color. These countings are related to both white and red colored balloons were blown up if 1280 balloons were white. Okay, these balloons are white balloons. Estimate the number of red balloons. So we have to find the number of red balloons to the nearest hundreds. So let's start our answer by writing the statements. So in a party 3685 balloons. These balloons are total balloons. So note down total balloons. So how many total balloons are there? It's 3685 and these balloons are of white color. So note down here white balloons. So these are 1280. So we will write it from opposite direction. First note down 0 and then 8 here and then 2, put comma and 1. So the number of red balloons is not given here. So we have to find the number of red balloons. So for calculating the red balloons, we have to subtract these numbers. We have to subtract the number of white balloons from the total balloons. So let's do it. By subtracting 50, we will get 5. 8, we will get 0. 6 minus 2, 4. Put comma and then 3 minus 1, 2. So the number of red balloons are 2405. But we have to find the number of red balloons by rounding off nearest hundreds. So note down here the red balloons to the nearest hundreds. So it's 2405. So we have to change this according to the nearest hundreds. So now count their place values, ones, tens and 100. 4 is at place of hundreds, so we have to change these numbers. So 4 is at 100th place, so note down 4 and put 0 because 100 contains 2 0, and what comes after 4? It's 5 and put 2 0. So here the answer is note down 2 as it is because there is no need to change the number at 1000 place. We have to change the numbers till the hundreds place. So note down 2 as it is, and 405 is closer to 400. So note down here 400. So the number of red balloons to the nearest hundreds is 2400. So here 2400 is the answer. Now come to question number 2. It is given that 5615 minus 2492 and in bracket round off to nearest tens. So we have to change first these numbers to round off to nearest tens and then subtract. So here estimated difference means by first round off and then subtract, and here actual difference, it means we will subtract these numbers as usual. So estimated difference, okay, you have to find this and this also. Estimated difference, first note down the first number 5615, put arrow here. Okay, so here we have to round off this number nearest tens. So ones and tens, the only two numbers, ones and tens, so mean we have to change only these two numbers, no need to change these numbers. So note down first and second number as it is. Now ones and tens, 1 is at tens place, so put 1 and 0. What comes after 1? It's 2 and put 0. So here it is 15. So which number comes So 15 is closer to which number? It is at mid. So here whenever there is 5, it is closer to the greater number. So 15 is closer to 20. So in place of 15 we will write 20. And our next number is here 2492. Round off this number to the nearest tens. So ones and tens. Again note down these two numbers as it is, no need to change. And here it is 9 and 2, 92. So here at tens place there is 9 and put 0, 90. And what comes after 9? It's 10 and put 0, 100. So 92 is closer to 90. So we will write 90 in place of 92. So now we have to find difference, subtraction. So now subtract these numbers. 0, we will take carry here. So it will be 12 and it will reduce by 1, that is 5. Now 12 minus 9, it's 3. 5 minus 4, 1. Put comma here. 5 minus 2, 3. So it is the answer by estimated difference. Now we have to find the answer by actual difference. So actual difference means note down these numbers as it is without any round off. And this number by opposite direction 2, 9, 4 and 2 here. And then subtract. 5 minus 2, 3. We will take carry here and reduce it. So 11 minus 9 is 3. And 5 minus 4 is 1. Here it's 2 here. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So we have to solve the estimated difference and actual difference both. We have to find both the answers. Now come to third question, fill in the blank. So here A part is 39,790 minus is equal to this number. So we have to find the number through which this is subtracted and we will get this answer. So it is 39,000 and it is also 39,000. It is 790 and it is 789. So this number is 1 less than this number. So if we subtract 1 from this number, we will get this answer. So whenever there is a difference of one number, this number is greater and it is small, then the answer is 1. Here B part is 5,680 minus dash is equal to this. Both the numbers are same here. So if both the numbers are same, so the answer is 0, because whenever 0 is subtracted from any number, the answer will remain same. C part is 52,900 and the answer is 0 here. So what will be right here to get answer 0? So again note down the question. So the question and answer are the same. Whenever this number is subtracted from this number, the answer is 0. Okay, whenever any number is subtracted from itself, then the answer is always remain 0. So today we have completed our exercise 2D. So in this way you have to solve your assignment. Thank you.